thinks it's Brunswick green, the other one thinks it's supposed to be a different colour green. I mean, he painted Flying Scotsman, I think it was either last year before last, in black. Because apparently during the war it was painted black. So somebody decided they wanted it in black. And it's like, well, I mean, the tornado's just been in to get some work they're doing. They'll do a cosmetic paint job on it. It doesn't take that long to be honest. Depends how much you strip it down. No, a few weeks. Quite a few weeks. Yeah. Depends how much you strip it back as well. And sometimes he'll strip it down as well. No, he'll strip down there. But but it depends what you find underneath as well. Especially on some of these two that's come across from America.